cut both ends. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut one end straight. When you're cutting, you want to make sure that you're not going to cut it too short. Right? But you don't want to have to measure everything. So as long as you've rough cut a couple inches long, so we tend to cut like a couple inches long rough cut, it gives you enough that you can cut these ends. Here, you have a good end like this. You take this and do what's called cut to dust, which would mean that this other side of the board wouldn't get past the blade. I'm just going to skim this. Okay. This hand that's closer to the blade goes on the back. This hand that's further away from the blade goes on the front. This hand wraps around the miter gauge with my fingers pushing down on this bar. This hand goes like that. It allows me to move it sideways and to hold it and to control it. I'll put it where I need it. I'll go up, cut it, and then I can slide it away and come back. Okay? Now, if this was square, that's going to be square. I just checked it. And it's not quite square, but it's okay. So there's my good end. I'm going to go like this and I'm going to turn it around. I'm just going to pick some dimension. Somebody got a tape measure here? Tape measure? 12 and 7/8. Just come off again. Put this over here. That block. Mark it. 12 and 7/8. And then I'm going to check it off of 1. Longer the 2 marks. Okay, so there's a couple ways to do this. You can go like this, bring this up here like this, and then put this against the tooth, just inside of the mark. Okay? Then come back like this and turn it on. That's one way to do it. A lot of times though, when you're doing all that stuff, this will move. Another way to do it . So I went in just a tiny bit and then I slid it over till I hit my mark. Obviously, if you go in too far, you're trying to use the side of the blade to grind the board down. That's probably not the best thing. And also, if you're not in control of this, you can go beyond your mark and ruin it. So if you don't feel like you can do that, then just go up, mark it, come back, turn it on, and then that works for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces. If I'm doing 50 pieces, do I want to measure every one? Probably not. Okay, so I'm going to need to set a stop. So I'm going to take a block of wood. And I'm going to get myself a clamp and clamp the block of wood on there. The other thing that would be nice is if I relieve this corner. The block could be anything. It could just be a square block. And you see how the corner's been cut off? We know what that's for? Because when it's cut, if I have a bunch of dust, I'm only pushing that dust in there like that. It's not. And you can see this gap there. This way. So cut yourself to hit the corner. You gotta take a small clamp. Not a spring clamp, a small, quick-acting bar clamp. Not a spring clamp.
C-clamp?
C-clamps are tough, so the handle goes get in the way.
Oh.
You guys have fixed to, where's my other clamp? Before I do this, and I'm going to put the end of the tape measure there, and I'm going to put the tape measure under the blade. I'm going to loosen this up, and I'm going to push this back until I get to 10 3/8 on the left side of the blade. And I'm going to tighten this. Then I'm going to check it. I'm just going to go like this and check it. Looks like I'm a little long. So I'm going to loosen that a little bit, and then I'm going to take it.
This side over here. The left side.
Now I'm too short. I'm stuck in that hole. Now I have my pieces I want to cut. What if I want to make sure that this is right before I start cutting my piece?
You have to scrap it, you know.
Grab any piece of scrap.
Yeah.
Okay, but I can't, I never cut this in, so how am I going to take care of that? Grab another scrap. This scrap is the same thickness as this scrap. Right there. Go like that. These were my good cut ends. around. Now I can't slide this away when I cut it because it's captured by this. Remember I went up and I cut and I slid away? I can't do it because I got this stop here. So I have to go up and either keep going or go up and come back. The way I use to determine going up and coming back is how much material. If I'm cut and I have this much material back here and only this much here, I keep going. If I'm doing this and I come up and it's cut off and I still have that much blade, I'll come back. You don't want to drag the piece against the blade you want to drag it against the blade as little as possible. So if I can do that and do that, I'm okay. But if I'm cutting, something wider, then all of a sudden there's a whole bunch back here and it's just less to keep going on the So here's my piece, there's my good end, there's my other piece, there's my good end. If I did it right, they should all be the same. And they're within reason. They're not a 5, but they're reasonable. Okay, so that's how you cut pieces up. Right? You can get multiples from a piece of scrap. Let's